Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a fun one because this is a video that I actually love watching on YouTube and TikTok. I think they're so interesting to watch. I'm going to be showing you guys my skincare routine, and everything I use in this video is under $20, so everything is super affordable. And also, everything that I've learned about skincare, I've learned from Skincare by Hiram. If you guys don't know who he is, my sister and I love him. We've bought a lot of the things that he's recommended, and I can confidently say he knows what he's talking about because I'll put a picture on the screen right here. This is what my skin looked like a few weeks ago versus what it looks like now is like completely different. I had such issues with dryness, redness, and also just like random breakouts. And after a week of using like one of the routines recommended by him, my skin is like completely different and it feels really good. I've always had issues with my skin and pimples and like the dryness, like when putting on makeup you can like see all the flaky and it's not cute. But I wanted to share my routine with you guys because it's super affordable, it's super easy, it's only like a few steps. I'm not like the type of person who could have like a 20-step skincare routine. That's just never gonna happen, and I hope you guys like it. And before the video starts, be sure to subscribe and let's get into it. So the first thing I always do is wash my face, and first I start by rinsing it with some cool water, and then I use my Neutrogena cleanser, and I use that on top of a Clarisonic type brush, but I got it for $15 from Ulta. It works exactly the same as like the $200 one. You don't need to spend that type of money, and I will just cleanse my face with that. So we're back in my room, and this is where I pretty much do everything else besides washing my face. So once I'm done washing my face, I will take my witch hazel, and this I will just use on a little cotton round, and I just pour it on there. And this is to, after like you wash your face with a cleanser, the cleansers can be kind of harsh, so you just want to use some type of toner to help restore the pH balance in your face, is what I've learned. Then I will go in with the first serum from The Ordinary, and this one I can't even pronounce, so I'm just going to show it to you. So this one is supposed to help with redness and pimples. And before I started using this, I had really red cheeks and like a forehead all the time. And I just do a few drops of this. I do one on my forehead, one on each cheek, and then one on my chin. And like I said before I started using this, I used to have red cheeks and a red forehead all the time, and I thought it was just because I was like hot or something. But once I started using this, it started to disappear, which is really nice because the only way that it would disappear before was with makeup, which I don't wear all the time. So just like that, I just gently rub it into my face. Then the next serum that I go in with, also from The Ordinary, is the hyaluronic acid. So this is the hyaluronic acid and B5 serum, and this is really good for hydration. And I do the same thing with this one. I'll do a drop on my forehead, a drop on each cheek, and then one on my chin. And I try my best not to let the dropper touch my face. And this one I focus more on like my T-zone and my nose and around my nostrils, because that's where I tend to get the most dry. So I just gently pat that in as well, like so. Just like that, super easy. I do once a week. Before I like do any of my skincare stuff, I will use The Ordinary peeling solution. This just helps my face when it's like super dry, and it really helps with the dead skin, and it helps with the redness and pimples as well, which is really, really nice. Once I'm done with all my serums and everything, I go in with my moisturizer, and I use the L'Oreal Collagen Moisture Filler. Just looks like that, and this is the best. This is the third jar that I've gone through. This is the first moisturizer that I've actually stuck with and really liked. And so I just put that on my face. And then one optional final step that I do only some nights when like my pimples are really bad is I will use the Mario Badescu drying lotion. So I'm not going to use this tonight because my face is not that bad right now. I mean, it's pretty clear. So I only use this some nights, and I'll just go in with like a cotton swab and dab it on the pimples. But other than that, that is my super simple skincare routine that I do twice a day, and it's really helped me clear up my skin. And I hope that this video has helped you or given you any ideas of how you can help clear up your skin if you're having skin issues. If you use any of these things or like any of the things that you see and you're gonna buy them, let me know down in the comments. We can talk about it. And other than that, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!